So welcome students. So in this question, you're asked to find integration of -2 to 3 mod of 1 minus x square. So you can see that this is a function involving mod. So it is a piecewise defined function. You have to use the method of intervals to split this integral. So now let us first analyze where 1 minus x square is positive and where 1 minus x square is negative. To do that, first let us find the critical points. So critical points are the points where the expression inside mod is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to plus or minus 1. So if you go from -2 to 3, so in between you can see that you have -1 here and +1 here. So these are the critical points. So I divide the interval into 3 parts. First part, second part, and third part. So as you can see, if x is in between -2 and 1, x square lies between 1 and 4. So 1 minus x square is negative. Similarly, x lies between -1 and +1. X square is less than 1. So 1 minus x square is positive. And if x lies between 1 and 3, x square lies between 1 and 9. So 1 minus x square is negative again. So in this interval, 1 minus x square is negative, positive, negative. So I'll split the interval. So the integral is equal to integration of -2 to 1. Between -2 and 1, this expression is negative. So mod of 1 minus x square becomes x square minus 1 dx plus -1 to 1. Expression is positive, so mod goes off directly. Plus 1 to 3. Again, the expression is negative. So the expression becomes x square minus 1 dx. That is equal to. So now what is left is your integration part. So x square minus 1, x cubed by 3 minus x from -2 to 1 plus x minus x cubed by 3 from -1 to +1 plus x cubed by 3 minus x from 1 to 3. So that is equal to. So as you can see, okay, here you should have -1, sorry. So -2 to -1, -2 to -1, -1 to 1, 1 to 3. So now if you put the limits, so get first term is 1 by 3 times -1 minus of -8. So -1 plus 8 is 7 minus of -1 plus 2 is 1. So 7 by 3 minus 1 plus x from 1 to -1 is 2 minus 1 by 3 times 1 minus of -1 is again 2 plus 1 by 3 times 3 cubed 27 minus 1 is 26 minus of 2. So that is equal to, effectively you have 7 by 3 plus 26 by 3. 7 plus 26 minus 2. It is 7 minus 2 is 5 plus 26. 31 by 3 minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1. So 31 minus 3, 28 by 3 is the required area. Thank you.